Haharap na sa panibagong hamon sa kantahan ng mga singers. Dito yan sa semifinals ng The Clones, Ka-Voice of the Stars.
Kantahan na! Open na ang...
The Clones!
That strikes upon the hour, and the sun begins to fade.
Julia!
Still enough time to figure out how to chase, not lose away.
Hey! I've done the right up till now. It's the light of the day that shows me how. And when the night falls, the loneliness calls. Oh, I'm dancing somebody. Hey!
I wanna feel the heat with somebody.
Yeah, I'm dancing with somebody. With somebody who loves me. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna be with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Grabe naman.
Performance level.
Yes, live! Julia Barreto.
Exit
Oh,
dancer.
exit na nga, dancers.
Dancers.
Wala,
Sorry,
tinaboy.
hindi kayo.
Tinaboy lang namin, tinaboy.
Okay.
Kasama din natin sa kantahan ng Bingo Plus. Sa Bingo Plus, bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. Halika na, kilalanin na natin ang mga bisita nating clones for today.
Ito na ang ating unang clone.
Yahoo! Pakinggan natin.
Yeah. Oh, loving Ruby said, I don't know how this thing got me lazy right now. Yeah, I can do practice that's her mother. I'm turning one, trying to live it up. Here, right. Maybe you can ride it, ooh, yeah. Bring it over to my place, and you be like, baby, who cares? So I know you care. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you did. It to me, your body lightweight speaks to me. I don't know what you did. It to me, your body lightweight. Whoa, come on. Hey, hey. I can make a hurricane on it. 100 bands make it rain on it. Tie it up, put a chain on it. Make you tattoo my name on it. Oh, make you cry like a baby, yeah. Let's go pro and make a video. Oh yeah. Make you cry like a baby, yeah. Let's go pro and make a video. Now baby you can ride it, ooh, yeah. Bring it over to my place, and you be like, baby, who can? So I know you can. Bring it over to my place. You don't know what you did. It to me, your body lightweight. Girl, I don't know what you did. Your body lightweight speaks to me. Grabe.
Wow! Chris Brown! Ivan Charles Murphy ng Sampaloc, Manila. Ang una po napansin yung cross sa
Yes, kaya nga.
sa ulo niya eh.
Haircut mo na yan, no? kuya?
Ayan o.
Ay, oo nga, ang galing.
Mag-side ka nga para makita nila doon. Yan!
Chris Brown.
May ganyan, may ganyan din ako, Mang Ala.
Talaga?
Parang parehas tayo.
Hindi naman haircut yan, kalbo na yan.
Grabe ka naman sa akin, Julia.
Sorry, no offense, pero hindi na haircut yan eh.
Pero Chris Brown.
Oo, kaya mo rin ba mag-Chris Brown?
Siyempre, mabahala hindi ngayon.
Let's go.
Singing Queen tayo focus ngayon. Singing
Oo.
Queens.
Ano? At sino?
Singing Queen is dapat ang
Oo
meron.
nga. Sino pang kaya mong gayahing singer?
Sabi ko nila si Asher daw po.
Asher!
Bibigat naman ng mga pinagkagaya mo. From Chris Brown to Usher. Padinig ka ng isang Usher dyan.
Amoyo.
Iba yun! Aster yun! Aster! Hi, Tita A!
When you feel it in your body, you found somebody who makes you change your ways like hanging with your crew. Since you act like you're ready, but you don't really know. And everything in your past, you wanna let it go. I've been there, done it, up around. After all that, this is what I found. Nobody wants to be alone. If you're touched by the words in my song, and baby, you got it bad. When you're on the phone, hang up and you call right back. You got it bad. If you miss a day without your friend, your whole life's on track. No, you got it bad when you're stuck in the house. You don't wanna have fun. It's all you're thinking about. You got it bad when you're out with someone, but you keep on thinking about somebody. You got it bad.
Oh,
Say.
ano? Kaya mo din yun.
May naman.
Grabe, no? Kaya mo daw yun eh.
Ano ko ngayon, Ma'am Alan, kasi di ba nung nakaraan, nag-Beyonce ako, parang feeling ko Whitney Houston ako ngayon.
Totoo ba?
Oo, Ma'am
Kaya mo mag-Whitney?
Ma'am Alan naman, nasaan ka ba? Let's go. Oo naman.
Sige nga, mag-Whitney ka nga. Ladies and gentlemen, Whitney Houston.
Pedro, acapella ako ngayon. Sa chorus ka lang papasok, Pedro, ha? Tapos, sabayan mo ako sa labas, palabas ng studio. Dapper Cats.
Ay, may palakpakan pa. Demanding.
Ay, introduce mo muna ako, Ma'am Alan. Whitney Houston.
Inintro ko na eh.
Oo, sige na,
Take
Ma'am
two. Ladies and gentlemen, Whitney Houston.
Huwag kayong maingay, Dapper Cats, sumakanta eh. Ang ingay nyo naman eh.
Natutuwa lang sila.
Sorry. Should say I would only be your way. So I'll go. But I know I'll think of you every step of the way. Bossing, sorry, bossing. Ito, sorry po, boss Joe. Singing Queens na lang, Ma'am
Nag-expect
Ala.
kami.
Mag-request muna tayo.
O sige na nga, request na nga lang muna.
May request sila eh.
Dapper Cats, kamusta kayo lahat? Siya na ako naman. Say ho! Ho! Oh! Okay, sino po mag-request? Ay, ang beautiful naman. Hi, what's your name, ate?
I'm Alex po.
Alex from where?
Imus po.
Imus! It's Imus Cavite, pang mayaman. Diba? So, what do you do? Do you still go to school?
Yes po.
Oh, where at? Where do you go to school?
Actual.
Perfect! Wow! Nakakatuwa talaga dyan. What course are you taking up?
Tourism po.
Tourism. Nice one. So, do you sing? No. Would you like to request for a song?
Yes po.
Oh, nakakatuwa naman. Okay, what song would you like to hear?
Forever po by Chris Brown.
Forever by Chris Brown.
Kaya yun. Kaya natin yun.
Kaya po.
Kaya daw. Pedro.
Yeah! 2, 3, 4. Come on. Hey, forever. It's you and me moving at the speed of light into eternity. And tonight is the night. Join me in the middle of ecstasy. Feel the melody and the rhythm of the music around you, around you. I'ma take you there, I'ma take you there. Don't be scared, I'm right here, baby. We can go anywhere, go anywhere. But first, it's your chance, take my hand. It's like I'm waiting my whole life for this one night. It's gonna be me, you, and the dance floor. Cause we only get one night. Double your pleasure, double your fun, and dance forever, 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 forever. The dance floor, yeah.
Akala ko ba nagpaalam ka ba sa akin na pwede mong ilapak? Ano ba
Yeah.
gagawin mo dapat?
Wala.
Nahiya ka na? Ano ba dapat ang
Ano ba
gagawin nila?
dapat yun?
Nagpaalam siya, pwede mo bang ilapag ang mic? Kasi ano ba gagawin mo? Basta may gagawin po ako. Tapos hindi niya naman ginawa.
Freestyle ba? Sasayaw ka ba dapat?
Oh, sige, kunyari
Eh, dancer
nilapag
din
mo.
pala ikaw.
Kunyari
Ipakita
nilapag mo.
mo na.
Music! Okay.
Hey! Let's go! Ivan! Grabe!
Ano? Baka akala nyo gano'n lang kadali yun. Maglampaso ka sa sahig namin ng nakaputi kang pantalon. Mahirap yun.
Teka lang! Mama!
Mas kaya ni Ian yun.
Teka!
Ayan! Napasalamat ka muna dyan.
Wait, pupunta lang ako sa floor. Iwanan muna kita, ha? Ano masasabi mo sa kanta? Okay na yun. Kasi hinahamon ako, eh.
Ayan! Ayan!
Ian!
Pakita mo.
Tingnan natin
Let's
naman
go.
ngayon kung paano maglampaso yung nakaitim naman.
Okay, amin na yung...
Okay.
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 Konti lang. Pakita mo.
Music!
Oh. Wow!
Ian! Oh, doubling. Okay. Okay. Whoa! Yes!
Halika na.
Ayoko na, Ma'am Alan. If I...
Sabi namin, maglampaso ng pantalon. Hindi naman namin sinabing ilang paso mo yung buhok mo doon.
Kasi Ma'am Alan, didikit siya, makakadikit din ako. Grabe.
Kayo po, Mama AK.
Ano?
Kayo po.
Hindi.
Ah!
Sabi nila kaya daw ni Julia yan.
Mama Ike, nahabol ka ni Julia, Mama Ike!
Hinahabol kita, Mama AK.
Okay.
Go, Mama Ike!
Music!
Alright, music! Let's go! Let's go! Ay! Ay!
Next
Ano
week na lang.
nangyari?
Next week na lang nakadikit eh.
Oh? Di ka naman humiga dun sa sarili.
Huwag ka nga. Ay, wag na, Julia. Wag na, pinakanta na natin ng I Wanna Dance with Somebody.
Ay, hindi kaya ko yan. May lang.
Talaga?
Music!
Ay,
Ganun
Modeling
pala!
naman. Madaling naman siya rin bike niya.
Alam mo ba, kaya ni Pedro yan.
Pedro!
Pedro!
Pedro! Pedro! Pedro! Pedro!
Wala kang tutugtog pag sinayaw ni Pedro yan. Okay na.
Flooring ang
Spare
tawag
Pedro,
doon.
please.
Okay.
Thank you, Ivan Charles. Doon ka muna. Ang premyo naghihintay sa mananalong clone for today ay 20,000 pesos.
Meron namang 10,000 ang non-winner.
May isa pa tayong clone pagdating sa kantahan. Eto siya.
There's gotta be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. There's gotta be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. How many I told yous and start overs and shoulders have you cried on before? How many promises, be honest now? How many tears you let it hit the floor? How many bags you packed that are taken back? Tell me that. How many either or? No more. If you let me inside of your world, baby, one less lonely girl. Oh, so many pretty faces before I saw you. Now all I see is you. Oh, don't need these other pretty faces when you're mine in the world. There's gotta be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. Yeah, yeah. One less lonely girl. There's gotta be one less. Christmas wasn't Merry 14th of February. No one of them spent with you. How many dinner dates, sets, dinner place, and it didn't even touch his food. It's only photographs that are taken back. Tell me that when you see an open door, no more. Let me inside of your world. Oh, so many pretty faces before I saw you. Now all I see is you. Oh, don't need these other pretty faces like I need you. When you're mine in the world, there's gotta be one less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. One less lonely girl. There's gotta be one less lonely girl. I'm gonna put you first. I'll show you what you're worth. If you let me inside of your world, there's gonna be one less lonely girl. Yeah.
Justin! Justin!
Justin!
Dan Christopher Ferrer ng Antipolo City. Ba't mo naman napagtripan na si Justin talaga yung kaya mong gayahin?
Actually, yun lang po yung choice na una ko naisip na nung mag-audition po ako rito.
Kasi medyo matinis ang boses mo yun, no?
Opo.
Alam mo pa, matinis ang boses mo, madami kang pwedeng dikitan. Tulad ni... Sino sa
po ba?
palagay mo kaya mo pa?
Si Aaron Carter po.
Oh,
Oo, kilala mo yun.
yes po.
Kapitbahay namin yun.
Aaron Carter.
Sige nga, patinig mo nga sa amin yan, si Aaron.
There's something I got to say. You're always with me, even though you're far away. Talking to you on myself. Just the sound of your voice makes my heart melt. Oh, girl, well, it's true. I'm all about you. I'm all about us. No, baby, you never have to question my love. And every night there's a new ground, but it's always you I'm singing about. There is only one these words are going out to. Oh, girl, I'm all about you. Yeah.
Parang Justin din.
Oo. Alam mo, parang katulog mo rin si Bruno Mars.
Oo nga.
Let's
Try ko
take
po.
some time. Sige nga, isang Versace on the floor. Opening lang.
Let's take our time tonight, girl. Above us all, the stars are watching. There's no place I'd rather be in this world. want to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So baby, let's just turn out the lights, close the door. Oh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor.
Grabe.
Alam mo, mataas yung nasimulan niya. Hindi yan original key, no, Peds? Original key yan.
Etong original niya. Eto na.
Wala mo ako doon,
Sorry.
Wala mo ako doon. May request na naman, Ian.
Hi! Okay, sino naman po dito ang gustong mag-request? Eto na agad. Hi po. Ay, parang dun din. Beautiful din. Ano pangalan mo?
Yumi de la Cruz po.
Yumi de la Cruz. Taga saan ka?
Sa North Caloocan po.
North Caloocan. Malapit lang ako dyan nakatira. Sa pa-north kasi ako eh. Gusto mo
Talaga ba?
makita? Okay, nag-school pa? Saan ka nag-school?
STI Balagtas po.
STI Balagtas. Anong course mo?
BS Educ po.
BS Ed. So magiging teacher ka pagdating ng araw. Tama ba ako?
Opo.
Pwede namang hindi kung ayaw mo, di ba? Okay. Justin Bieber song. Anong gusto mong i-request?
That should be me po.
That Should Be Me.
That should be me. Kaya ba?
Kakayanin po.
Kakayanin. Dan Christopher Ferrer with the song Kakayanin. Ha?
Ha?
Yeah. Everybody's laughing in my mind. Rumors spreading about this other guy. Do you do what you did? Would you do with me? Does he love you the way I did? But you forget all the plans that you made with me. 'Cause baby, I did it. But that should be me holding your hand. That should be me making you laugh. That should be me. This is so sad. That should be me. That should be me. That should be me. Feeling your kiss. That should be me buying you gifts. This is so wrong. I can't go on. Do you believe? But it should be me.
Hey! Dan Christopher. Ano, Ian? Nagustuhan ba ni teacher?
Napatulala siya. Anong masasabi mo?
Super ganda po ng boses niya.
Paano? Sige nga, explain mo nga. Kasi baka mga ini-etchos mo lang kami. Sige, gaano kaganda? Paano mo nasabing maganda?
Medyo ano po siya talaga kay Justin Bieber. Ka-voice niya po talaga.
Yun nga yung contest kasi. Etchos. Biro lang. Salamat.
Pinipiga si girl. Thank you.
Alright, so ano na?
Ay,
Showdown
di,
na?
showdown na to. Halika na, Ivan Charles.
Oo, galingan
And
nyo
Dan
yan.
Christopher.
Galingan nyo dahil sa Grand Finals ang paglalabanan ay 300,000 pesos.
Magkakaroon ba sila ni chance na mag-set sa clown? Eto na, showdown na. Ang kanta nila,
Ay So Sick by Neo.
ay ganda din yan. Naku,
Ganda nun.
Rosa. Forward, guys.
Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. 'Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone.
And I know it makes no sense, 'cause you walk out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore.
It's a little long. It's been months For some reason I just and I'm stronger than these, yeah.
Oh, walking down, my head down. I'm so lonely being you, rolling over you.
And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here.
And I'm so sick of love song, so sad and slow. Can I turn on the radio?
Oh, leave me alone. Hey, don't make me think about her smile.
Having my first child,
Let him go.
turning up the radio, 'cause I'm so sick of love song,
So tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick of love song, so sad and slow. Why can't I turn on the radio? And I'm so sick of love song, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. And I'm so sick of love song,
so sad and slow.
why can't I turn off the radio?
Why can't I turn on the radio?
Why can't I turn off the radio?
Why can't I turn on the radio?
Grabe naman. Grabe, sarap gumawa ng banda, no? Tapos sa mga singers mo, yung mga nag-showdown araw-araw.
Ang husay
Galing,
na.
galing. Thank you, Ivan Charles Murphy ng Sampaloc, Manila, and Dan Christopher Ferrer ng Antipolo City.
Alright.
Dito, Sen!
Ito, alamin na natin kung sino ang panalo na clone for today.
One or two.
Pareho sila magaling, pero importante ay...
Ka-boys, Tito Sen.
Yun, Kaboys. The clones, Ano ba? Nagulat ka. Kaboys of the Stars, semi-finals winner for today is... Contestant number... 2, Dan Christopher Ferrer.
Sarado na ang clowns. Salamat sa mga nakasama nating mga singers.